Pumutok yata yung gulong ko sa baba, likod. Ay, nako. Naputukan tayo ng gulong. Narinig ko, lakas eh, tog, sabi niya, pumutok ang gulong natin. Ano yun? Narinig ko, ano yun narinig ko? Ang lakas nung kalabog eh, ano narinig ko. Ito nga alam kong pumutok eh. Ano kaya yun narinig ko? Ang lakas guys ng putok eh. I'm sure naputukan ako ng gulong eh. Ay, narinig ko lumagabog eh. Oh, ito sumabog yung gulong ko. Sabi ko na nga ba eh, meron akong narinig eh. Anong nangyari? Ito pumutok. Laki oh. Putra guys oh. Anak ng pating. Ang laki. Sabog ang gulong. Ano? Nakapapak tayo na kaya pala may. Ang lakas ng narinig ko eh. Meron yata akong tinamaan matulis dyan. Bakit kaya sa side? Dyan lang, pagtawid ko. Kapag kayo naaalat ka nga naman, sabog ang gulong. Ay, naka. Balik, punta natin yung sa kabila. Kapag kayo naaalat ka nga naman eh, kalalabas pa lang natin eh. Meron ako nasagasaan ano? Meron ako nasagasaan, I'm sure dyan ano? Sa side pa naman nangyari. Tayo na. Ang lakas eh. Akala ko yung steer tire na yun napasag sa akin. O pumutok. Ano? Warak eh oh. Warak. Oh. Naku po, warak ang gulong. Tatawag ako na ano guys. Tatawag ako kaya sa shop kung saan yung malapit. Pwede ko pang i-travel ito kasi malapit na tayo dun sa ano, travel natin. Pumutok ang drive tire.
message. When you have finished recording.
I need help. My drive tire just blow.
J'avais jamais eu une fois et j'ai changé de chance.
Just blown. I'm in the perimeter highway. 9 miles to exit highway 95 going to Emerson. Pamalas naman. Hahanap ako guys ng ano, ng pwedeng ano rito, yung i-drive ko na lang, mas malapit, dahan-dahanin natin. Tractor repair me. Alright guys, nakatawag ako ng ano, shop na pupuntahan natin. Mayroon akong mayroon tayong extrang gulong sa bahay. Tinawagan ko rin si Macy, sabi ko dalhin mo yung gulong nating extra at dito sa lugar na ito, sabi ko, at ipapagawa natin itong gulong kako para hindi na kami magbayad ng ibang gulong kasi mahal na naman yun eh. Ang labor lang ang gagawin. Hindi pwede yun. Iikot pa ako doon, malalayo pa iikutan ko, visit ka. Wala, eksaktong nasabugan tayo dun sa kanto na yun. Tiyak ko mayroong sumabit dun. Posible yun. Ay, tinext ko na si Mrs. Kukunin niya yung gulong na yun para sa ganun madala namin yung gulong doon. Yung gulong niya lang ang reserba ko sa bahay. May reserba ko sa bahay ang gamitin para hindi na magbayad. Dahan-dahan lang ako nagda-drive, hindi pwedeng mabilis. Pwede pa namang i-drive basta naka-hazard tayo. Ang importante, dahan-dahan lang. Update na lang mamaya guys. Focus lang ako kasi highway ito, ang bilis ng mga sasakyan dito eh. Alright guys, ayan, tawagan ko si Mrs. kung nadala na niya yung gulong na reserba. Buti na lang may reserba. Han? Nakuha mo na yung gulong?
Papunta na kami.
Buti na lang may reserba pa tayong gulong. Para hindi na tayo masyadong gumastos ng parts, yung labor na lang. Malapit lang naman yung sa dito may banda sa may trappers yun. Okay. Sige yan, kita na lang tayo rito. Okay. Ayan guys, focus lang ako. Dahan-dahan lang yung takbo ko, mga 20 km/h. Mas mabilis pa yung lakad ko nito sa treadmill eh. Wala eh, focus tayo. Basta mag signal light lang tayo. Pero kapag napulubor ako ng pulis nito, sabihin ko sabog. At kung sabi niya huminto ka at kung tumawag ka ng gagawa, re-rescue rito, wala akong magagawa kundi yun talagang gagawin ko guys. But anyway, malapit na tayo. Alright, nandito na guys tayo sa Boys Road. Sabi niya Boys Road. Lapit lang. Pag diretsuhin mo to guys, tagusin mo, nandun na yung trappers. Malapit lang, buti na lang, malapit pa lang ako dito. Otherwise, pag nagtawag ako, mas mahal ang bayad nun. Pag nagtawag ako rescue, kita yung takbo ko, 12 to 15 km per hour lang. Mas mabilis pa ang ano, mas mabilis pa yung jogging sa treadmill nito. Denre, sabi niya Denre, ito yata yun. Then retire. Papunta na rin si Mrs. eh.
Turn right onto the unpaved road.
Dahan-dahan lang. Makakarating din tayo doon.
Turn right onto Boys Road. Then your destination will be on the right.
Dyan banda yun. Dinre. Mayroon pa pala ritong then retire. Ayan, then retire. Yung kausap po kanina, sabi niya mga 30 minutes nandun na ako kasi nagsarado na sila eh. Ano na to, after hours na. Ewan ko magkano bayad nito kasi parang ano na to eh. Overtime na to sigurado. Yan shop nila.
Arriving at 25 Boys Road on the right.
Entrance. Then retire. Hours Monday to Friday 7:30 to 5. Close at Sabado, Sundays close sila.
1/4 mile to the end of the street, then turn right.
Baka ito na yon. At least hindi na ako mano. Where do you want me to park? Here? Okay. Kausapin ko. Look ko muna ang sarili ko. Patayin na natin. It's coming, my friend. Sir, my wife is coming. I have an extra tire brand new in the car, in the house. He's coming. He's only 10 minutes away. Is that okay to wait? We can use our my tire. Okay.
As long as he's here in 10 minutes, I'm not waiting all night.
Yeah, I will call her right now because she said she's already on the way. Because I worked before in Trappers here, it's so close.
Hey.
This one. Yeah.
Well, that's obvious.
I don't know why, what happened. So, yeah, right there. It's big crack. Here in this side. Nasaan na kayo? Malapit na? Okay. Mga 10 minutes, nandito na kayo. Kasi bababa na eh. I don't know what happened right there.
Just blew out, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, it's just blew out.
I'll get you to...
Yeah, remove it. Yeah,
I'll
okay.
get you to drive on top of a block.
Okay, sure, for sure. Meron siya. Okay. Drive tayo. Raw vlog na to guys, raw vlog na. Buti na lang alerto rin si Mrs. Hop. Buti na lang kamo alerto rin Mrs. ko guys at marunong mag-drive. Napaka-convenient din talaga kapag ka nagmamaneho ang asawa natin. Kasi kahit papaano nandyan sila lagi na ano na katuwang. Yan. I have a question.
Okay.
I have one extra steer tire, because what happened my steer tire before is I need to be aligned. The other tire is, you know, the is not good.
Yeah.
And then the other one is okay. So the other one I cannot be able to use it, and now I'm thinking if I can find a same place, same tread depth, I can still be able to use it.
Should be able to, yeah.
Okay. You guys have here, right?
We don't have we don't have anything for used right now. We're pretty well out for used.
Okay.
Usually we do, but we got
With the steer tire, yeah.
Usually we do,
yeah.
but we don't have any right now.
Oh, no use right now. Okay.
No.
Because I buy those are brand new, my steer tire, and I'm thinking the other one, you know, so I can save at least, you know,
Yeah.
how many times, you know what I mean? Yeah. Tignan na lang natin.
Is this your truck or?
Yeah, I'm owner operator.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what happened. I have to save every penny, you know. Bilisan lang yan. Kabit na niya agad yung ano. Ikabit na niya agad. Oh my god, yan pala. Basta sumabog. Hindi, those are not brand new.
Yeah.
This tire is only you know, recap.
Yeah, 2023.
Those are recap.
Yeah, it was recapped in 2023 though.
Yeah.
The casing's from 2001 and it was recapped in 2023.
This one is my company buy this here.
Yeah.
It's your tire. So can you still be able to give me for the casing? Is there any casing for this?
I don't know. They would have to look into it. I don't know how that works.
Okay, no worries. Okay.
I could write your unit number on it and everything, and I could get somebody to call you on Monday or
Sure,
Tuesday.
sure, that's fine. Yeah, my wife is coming because with my kids, so she's being careful. Only she's coming. She already called me.
Okay, what's your unit?
2098.
2098.
Yeah. Tawagan natin si Mesa, salubungin na lang natin.
Hello.
Malapit na kayo?
Dito na kami sa Springfield.
Bito, basta kung pagkano, lagpasan mo lang naman yung trappers dyan. Tapos makikita mo yung co-op. Yung co-op makikita mo andito mababasa mo yung Denry tire. Buti ka mo, malapit pa ako sa anuhan.
What's your company name?
Turk, right there.
Yeah, but what?
Myself? Okay. Myself, Lakay Transport.
Is the bill going under Turk or is
No, it's I can pay it myself, or you want me to?
like it's not going to get billed out till at least Tuesday when I get back to work, but
Okay, yes, sure, for sure. You can build up into Turk.
bill it to Turk?
Yeah, build to Turk.
Do I have to get a PO from Turk in order to bill it to them?
Just you know what? I will call them.
Maybe call them and see
Yeah.
what they want
Okay.
to do, yeah.
Okay, I call them.
But you want the casing for this, so what's your name?
My name?
Or what's your company?
Lakay.
Lakay?
Yeah, Lakay.
What's that?
Let me. So I don't need the casing actually. You can just give me at least
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Lakay.
The person you're trying to reach is not available.
KLAKAY.
Okay,
Transport, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully they give me at least, you know,
They might be able to send it out, and since it's only from 2003, the recap, and the casing's only 4 years old, they might be able to give you something for it.
yeah. Still be able to use the what do you call it? Casing, yeah.
Yeah.
They are now in Springfield, almost in the trappers. I don't know. Siguro ako na.
You didn't get a hold of Turk?
I'm trying to call again.
Just so I know who I got to write up the bill for,
Okay.
whether I got to put it under Lakay or if I got to put it under Turk.
Yeah, yeah. If they're not gonna answer me, then put it under probably my name.
Okay.
So text ko na lang.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Okay, so sabi ko guys, are we putting in Turk or my company? Kasi ako na lang magbabayad nito kung sakali man. Springfield. You know what? Just put it into my company.
Yeah.
They're not answering. And I don't want to. Maybe the guy is just got out from showering or washroom. My wife is over here.
You missed your wife? You weren't ready to leave yet?
Yeah. It's a good thing. I'm still in here in Highway Permore, yeah. That brand new tire, that tire I've been in American before, and then I got a flat tire there, and then I ordered a brand new tire. It's virgin tire, and then all of my friends told me that's a brand new tire, and if you wanna partner with those tire, it's not that good, so you're gonna find at least used tire and you can use it. And I never use it. It's been almost 3 years before, and then I wanna use it now because it's been a while. So
What are you wearing that thing for?
oh, this is I have a video vlog, Lakay Tracker, Lakay Transport,
Oh, okay.
YouTube. Is that okay to you with the camera?
I don't care.
You don't care, okay. Yeah, it's just about owner operator thing, you know. That's what I'm doing, like owner operator. Oh, they're right here now. Life of owner operator, life of a truck driver, long haul truck driver, everything.
Do you drive by yourself? Like, do you have...
I'm alone.
You're alone, yeah?
Yeah, I'm alone. Alright, they're right here now. Buti na lang ano. Thank you, Han. Buti na lang andyan pa kayo. I'm just gonna remove the all some kasi kung hindi nako ano, at para magamit na rin natin to. This tire is virgin.
Yeah.
Brand new, yeah.
Hello.
Bagsak mo na lang. Oh, hindi, wag.
Bagsak mo.
Yan. There.
Right on.
Yeah. Bayaran ko na lang siguro sa sarili ko. No?
Cover yan sa amin. Cover na natin sa business.
Oo nga, pero bayaran ko na lang. Hindi ko na ipapabayad sa company, sa torque. Ako na magbabayad. Oo.
Magkano daw bayad niya?
Hindi ko alam yung ano lang yan, yung labor siguro kasi gulong natin eh. At saka yung kunti paghihintay niya. Okay. Bebe, case. Good thing I'm still here. Fidel.
How come your tire broke in the first place?
Yeah, I don't know. It's you guys doing good? Okay, okay. I'm going in there now. Huh? Huh? Punta ko dun. Ayusin lang natin ito. Oh, sige Han, alis na kayo. Sige, ako nang bahala. Thank you Han ha. Okay, thank you very much. Yan guys, tinitira na ni sir. Ano na to guys ha? Tawag nito.
Ano nga, nabibenta sila ng rim dyan?
Anong klaseng rim? Yung mga ganon? Hindi pwede yung mga ganon.
Di pang ano ko, pang... sa...
Oo nga, pero hindi pwede yung ganong klaseng ang ring. Matutunaw daw yan ha. Bakal talagang kailangan. Teka, transport ko yung pera sa ano. Sa debit. Sabay lalagay sa credit card. Debit na lang. Meron ako. Sige. Ha?
Bayaran ko lang.
O, bayaran ko na lang. Magagamit ko na rin yung brand new tire. Buti na nga lang, andito pa kayo eh. Kasi sayang din yan eh, yung gulong natin, matagal ng gulong yan eh. Sakali man eh. Oh, hindi lang yan, 1,200 yan, kasama laboran. USD yun. Hindi kasi bago yung gulong na yun eh. Yung mga yan kasi ano yan eh, tawag ito. Yung mga gulong ko na yan, recap lang yan eh. Pag recap, mas mura, 400 plus lang. Pero kapag ka brand nyo, 6,000 lahat yung walo. Saglit lang to. Wala na, andun na oh. Ano?
Hindi, nung nag-safety.
Andun pa sa tor.
Kukunin pa yan?
O, kunin natin yon. Yung isa pwede pa natin gamitin pagka ano. Yung isa, pero yung isa hindi na. Andun oh. Bibigyan daw niya ako kung sakali man ng casing. Pwede pa nilang i-recap yan eh. Pwedeng gamitin niya sa trailer eh. Magkano? Ano? Ano? Eh? That's what happened with the tire. Sa sumabog na lang eh, no? Okay? That's what happened. Narinig ko, ang lakas eh. Akala ko binaril na ako eh. Maano kasi ang ano niyan, akala ko nga binaril ako eh. Ha? Hindi! Buti nga kamo nung pumutok yan, narinig ko talaga nung grab ako, huminto agad ako eh. Huminto agad ako sa side. Alam ko may sumabog ang gulong ko ako. Kasi gano'n yung tunog na yon. Hindi, wag mong dapat pag walang bahala yung tunog na lakas kapag ka tumunog malamang sa sumabog. Hindi, wala namang gutter sa highway yan paano mo sabihin sa akin yan? Basta sumabog na siguro dahil sobrang bigat. Oo. Ito naman talaga dasal-dasal lang tayo. Saglit lang naman yan, tapos na. Andun na ako dapat. Tinext ko na sila agad. Tapos pagkatapos nito, sabihin ko na agad sa kanila na I'm good, kailangan natin silang i-inform. $100 PSI. 100 PSI yan. Bawat isa.
Isang gulong,
Oo, bawat gulong 100 PSI. Ito malapit na to para sabay-sabay na tayo. Para makuha mo na rin yung resibo, antay mo na.
Puno ako pa, mabigat na naman siya.
Yung? Mabuti pumunta si Papa dyan. Okay. Ay! Salamat naman at tinulungan kayo.
Sabi ko
okay na. Labor lang siguro to. Siyempre after hours baka overtime na yan. Labor. Malaman natin kung magkano. Buti nga kamo na i-drive ko dito. Mas mahal yan kapag pinuntahan nila ako doon. Mahal yan
You're good to go, sir.
Yep. So the receipt, what happened? Invoice?
I can.
Until tomorrow?
I'll write it all up for you, and then you can just sign it and put your number on it, and they'll call you.
Okay, for sure. Yeah. So you only charge me for the labor for this, right?
What's that?
The labor, right? Because the tire is my own.
Yeah, it'll be a changeover and service call.
Okay. So what is that? It's it's a little cheaper than when you come and get me, right?
Well, it'll be a after-hour service call. It'll be the same as if I went out there and got you, but it made it quicker for you to come here and meet me instead of me coming here, grabbing a tire and going out there because I didn't know your wife was bringing a tire.
Oh, okay, yeah.
McKay, like M-C-K or
L.
M-A.
Oh yeah, the K.
K-A-Y?
Yeah.
M-A-K-A-Y?
L.
Oh,
L-A-K-Y, yeah.
Transport,
At least bago na. Bagong bago to. Virgin tire to guys. Mas makapal syempre itong gulong ko na to kaysa dun sa mga to. Mas matibay to. Hindi na naman pantay ang ano nito, kain nito. Mas maunang mapupudpud ito kaysa ito. Wala itong magagawa, kailangan na natin gamitin ito eh. Sa susunod na bibili ako ng gulong ulit ganitong klase. So which one is better? This kind of tire? This kind of tire or those? Which one is good? This kind of tire or that one?
Are you talking about like the tread pattern, or
Yeah.
like the Virgin would be a better tire because it's never been capped, but a lot more people go with the other tread design that you have instead of that one.
Okay.
They think it's better in the winter time for it's got more siping and everything.
Oh, with this kind of thread tip?
Yeah.
Oh, design? Okay. Alright.
Get you to sign this here. Get you to sign down there, and then yeah, I just put it under your company.
Yeah.
And I'll get you to sign here,
Okay.
and then I'll get you to put your phone number up here so they can give you a call.
So there's no more price yet?
No, I don't have
Oh.
the prices.
Okay.
But it'll be the after-hours service call
Okay.
and the changeover, and that's it, because you provided your own tires, so it'll be the changeover plus the service call.
Oh, okay.
Do you want a copy of that, or you just want them to? Do you got an email actually that you want them to email to you?
Oh yeah, I have an email.
Okay. If you want to, right underneath where it says owner operator Turk Enterprises, just put your email there.
Okay. Those are small later. At
Yeah.
Gmail.
Gmail.com.
Yeah. This is N.
N.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is one word.
That's a J.
Yeah. This is R.
Okay.
My name. Yeah. TORNESTOR at gmail.com.
Okay,
Yeah, I need a
perfect.
copy. Yeah, just give me one copy if you.
Do you want me to give you a copy?
Yes, please.
Oh, mark this off. They were 25 Boys Road.
At least I have a copy. So they gonna call me so that I can pay online or what?
Either you can give them probably a credit card over the phone,
Okay.
or you can e-transfer them, whatever
Okay.
you really
Yeah.
want.
Oh, for sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Can I get you to move ahead off my block?
Okay, sure. I will talk to my wife and then let's
Okay.
roll now. Alright. Ayan guys, yeah. Wala pa yung official, Han.
Magkano?
Wala pa yung official, tatawagan nila kung dyan lang yung maginawa niya. 1 MTco and 11R22.5 yung ano RR0 blown out, 1 customer use, 100 PSI, owner operator Turk Enterprise. Yan yung email ko. Tatawagan ako sa Lunes, Lakay Transport nakapangalan.
Kung magkano?
Oo, kasi hindi pa niya alam. O sige, sige na Han. Alis na rin ako. Bye bye guys. Okay. Alright guys. Alright guys. Mag-move na ako at mag-tread na rin ako.
Have a good night.
Yeah, thank you sir. Alright guys. Diretso na ako nito. Alright. Alright guys, let's go. Let's ready to hit the road now. Sana hindi na tayo masabugan para hindi tayo mabala. Malaman na lang natin kung magkano yung nagastos natin dyan. labor at saka after hour service. Yun ang babayaran. Guys, thank you for watching. Ingat kayo lagi. Peace up guys. Bye bye for now. Thank you.
Lakai Tracker.